Welcome to the American Muscle Car Museum. Out today we have an absolutely gorgeous 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. This was the first year for the retractable hardtops for Ford Motor Company. They only produced these things 3 years, 57, 58, and 59. They attracted a lot of attention to the dealer showrooms, but there weren't a lot of sales behind them. This particular car has the 312 in it, 245 horsepower with an automatic transmission. You could get two types of manuals in this car. You could get the standard manual and you get the overdrive, or you get the Ford automatic. The car has less than 5 miles since the restoration. It's a Jerry Miller frame off, nut and bolt correct restoration. Just does a beautiful job. Not only were these cars unique in 1957 with this retractable hardtop, there was some downside to it. They had to give up a lot of trunk just to make this thing work and fold up the top end of this thing. You had a little box back there that was about 2.5 by 3, and that was your trunk. You had to put your groceries or whatever in that because the top folded up on the rest of it. So yeah, you gave up a little bit, but just look at this car. Really gorgeous. Very complicated mechanical process to get this thing up and down. The deck lid has a 2-stage lid in it, and the top has a 2-stage in it, and they use no hydraulics. 610 feet of wiring. So when you start having an issue with either section, either the top or the trunk deck lid, there's 2 stages to each one. It could be a long process to figure out what's caused the issue. But this car done up in a very beautiful Starmist Dresden Blue, well optioned. You see the spotlights out here? Those actually double as rear view mirrors. Set them so you can see down the side of the cars. This car has power seats, power windows, power brakes. Also has Ford's air conditioning, the Select Air, which was really quite a deal back then. If you go back to the back here, you've got a Continental kit out there, which had an actual spare tire in it, and you really didn't want to have a flat because that was kind of a process to get the tire out and get it on and stuff. So if you're a fan of these cars, we have 4 of them in the collection, 2 59s, a 58, and a 57. And of course, they were only made those 3 years. Go to AmericanMuscleCarMuseum.com, look them up, or any of your favorite cars. The information will be there. Videos will be out there. Once again, we appreciate you looking. Thank you.